Hey, we're gonna make some, I'm gonna make a business card slash cell phone holder with resin. I'm gonna try it out. I got the mold in today, and I will try to post a link to where I got that from. So today I'm using Counterculture Artist Resin Medium Viscosity, which is the green and yellow label. Equal parts A and B. I've mixed up enough resin. This takes 4 ounces, and I have a little extra, which I can do pop socket covers or something like that. So you mix it for about 6 minutes, and I'm gonna make this. I'm thinking of my stepdaughter to make this for, and I'm going to add this really colorful confetti, and I just realized that I really don't have enough room. Let's see if this is any more room in here. I'll leave a little space out, and then I'll add the rest of the resin. Come on. Stir this in so I can see. I want it pretty dense with the glitter. I am going to throw in some sparkle. This is just a generic pink, kind of holographic looking glitter. So I'm putting that in for sparkle. This one, I'm going to use some Lett's resin, pearl pigment. I'm going to put a little orange in. And this bright pink. Just use this stir stick. I don't know really what I'm going to do yet. I'm just really playing. I want kind of a salmon color, I think. Orangey, pinky color. Put more orange in. So these are pearlized pigments. It's better. I want just a little more orange. Now, this is rose red. I'll put a squirt in that just to deepen it. And I put some sparkle in this, because who doesn't like sparkle? Hopefully she does. I don't know. Try to get a little bit more glitter in. I got this at Target. It's called Jumbo Neon Party Mix. The rest of the resin in. I really thought about putting this into that, but I don't know if I want to. I want the clear to kind of be the background. I know that I need 4 ounces for this, and I'm going to do just two pieces that'll be standing up when it's finished. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pour the end pieces first, just with the glitter. Not a lot of space down there at the bottom, so making sure it's in there. I guess I'll go ahead and pour these. I wasn't planning on it, but and I'm going to put some of this in here. Spray with some alcohol, and I'm gonna call this one done. We'll come back tomorrow and see how it looks. I'll be back. Okay, time for the big reveal. We're going to start with the small stuff first. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. So these will all be the same. I'll have a few of these available. One is going to my stepdaughter. So this was the clear with the confetti glitter from Target. Very festive looking, fun. This might be my new favorite mold. I'm looking for a business card slash phone holder. And I have the cell phone holder, and you know, people say sometimes it bends, which I haven't really experienced that, but I want to come up with a few options that you could use for a cell phone as well. This mold was also called a napkin holder. So obviously this is a 4-inch square. You'd have to use the small little cocktail napkins that could fit in here as a holder. and I'll show you what I mean here in a minute. So there's the top side. And yeah, I added the pearlescent colors into the resin, so this one is not clear through and through, but there's the top side, which I knew it was going to look like that, and I love it. I love it. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. So with this piece, you can attach your pieces around the outside like that, and you could put little napkins inside here, so that would be a napkin holder. But what I wanted to do was, you can also do it at an angle, I think that would even be cute, is you attach the pieces on an angle or across, either way. And it could be a business card holder, put your business cards standing there, or I'm hoping this is tall enough and strong enough to hold a cell phone standing, or lengthwise. That's what I'm thinking. So I can't really show, well, I could. I can kind of tip it a little bit and hold the pieces. So you would see them, you know, kind of like that from the side, or if you angled it, you know, something like that. So that's my plan. I'll probably use E6000 to attach pieces. I'm not going to do the napkin holder. That wasn't my intent with this. I think I'm going to do the something like that. You could even layer them, which is kind of cool. You make them extra strong, for sure. And if you angle them, you have to make sure you get them on top of the thing. I'll show you the finished picture and how it's used, so you can see. Of course, the little pop socket, I got these from Counterculture. And I bought like 2 at a time so that I could do 8. I did this with some leftover sparkle and resin, so that was just another piece. It's very pale compared to it, but so those I need to glue. So I'll have to dream up what I want to do with this one. The other option is also to put gold edges, which I think I'm going to do. So the pieces are a little longer than the base. So just trying to decide which ones I want to use. Okay, so this is my first time using E6000. I sanded the bottom of the pieces and a little bit along the edge, and it says you can clean up with acetone nail polish remover. So that's what I'm going to try to do here, where it leaked out. Now, this is not going to be important that it's heat resistant like a regular coaster. So if for some reason I kind of messed up the shine, which I didn't, thank goodness, I could put a coat of varnish on it, you know, if I wanted to. So just cleaning up. Okay, so I went around and put a couple of coats of the gold on, and that was liquid gold with some gold mica powder in it just to brighten it just a hair. This is oil based, so either you have to clean your brush out with paint thinner or turpentine or throw it out because it will dry hard from the oil based paint. So I'm super pleased with it. Use from the side. So you can put business cards in here. Prop a cell phone. So just a whatever you want to use it for. And then I made a pop socket for her. Her phone cover is a coral color, so this will go really well. And with the pop socket, you just stick it as a 3M tape, and you just stick it on the back of your phone, and you can pull it all the way out, midway, or all the way in. So that's that tutorial. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.